Hey guys, I really miss the LEGO fidget spinner days because, well, sometimes I get really bored and I am a fidgeter. Well, I can't help it. I just like to fidget with things. So this is my latest fidget toy. It's pretty simple and it just keeps my hands busy while I'm thinking about the next LEGO thing. It's pretty easy to put together. We just need a few basic pieces like this, and we can just pop those on like that. We use the grey Technic pins because they spin around. And then we have the fidget toy like this. Now it's nothing special. I just sort of play with it like this because it's really interesting to see the cog running up against the other cog like that. But there's other ways to play with it as well. Sometimes I'm just playing with it like this. And sometimes I actually just try to flick it up to see if I can get it to balance on top. And that's pretty hard to do though. But if I actually do it, I'm pretty happy. So this is my LEGO fidget toy that I'm currently using at the moment. What do you use when you fidget? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, it's bye for now.